When I went away to college, I still worked Kmart for a little bit, and then I ended up bartending for 5 years in college because it was shorter amount of time and better money. And I went to a party my freshman and sophomore year. My sister dragged me to a third party, which I ended up having a lot of fun at, and I felt empowered and really excited for the ability for women to feel comfortable in their own bodies. So about a year later, after I'd asked my consultant for more information, I was sitting at my post-grad job, working 40 hours a week to pay regular bills, and then 40 hours a week on top of that at a bar for the 6th year. And I just wanted to be able to comfortably pay bills, and on top of that, you know, be able to travel and afford things, afford nice things, go out to dinner. So I wasn't necessarily struggling, but I wanted to be able to live free, which is definitely harder for post-grad college loans and bills and everything else. So I ended up saying, well, might as well give this a try. I wanted to quit bartending, and then after my first party, I ended up quitting my full-time job instead. I kept bartending for about a year and a half, and I have been full-time with Pure Romance for about 3.5 years.